Okay, so I've got the wire disconnected from the lever right here. We want to stick this post, these posts right here. When you get that through the hole right here. So you can either reach around and try and stick it through, or we can back up and remove this bolt right here. And we'll just go ahead. Stick it through there. Line it back up. There you go. Uh-oh. All right. We'll come back here with our T20 bit. All right, the last step is to reinstall this metal ring onto the post right there. So come around here, maybe get that angle. So this is what it should look like.